Hello, just being here again at the CE Retail Awards in Warsaw in 2019. As usual, a good event. We had the good jury dinner yesterday evening, and we were just discussing in the panel the new retail trends. We can see that especially what is important in the retail sector, neighborhood shopping centers, dominant schemes. We discussed that there are a lot of new discount brands in the market, and that's why I mean, if you have the right scheme, retail will always work, and I think that's an important message. It's always good to be here, meeting a lot of investors, developers, other people from the real estate industry, and I'm looking forward to the gala tonight. Thank you very much.